Today we are tackling a great problem from the JEE Main 2023 exam. This question combines trigonometry and algebra. The question is let s equal to, so that means s is defined as x belongs to minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, 9 raised to power 1 minus tan square x plus 9 raised to power tan square x, the value is 10, and beta equal to summation x belongs to, yes, that means x belongs to this set, tan square x over 3, then find the value of this 1 over 6 times beta minus 14 whole raised to power 2. To find the value of 1 over 6 beta minus 14 whole raised to power 2, we need beta value, isn't it? If you want to find the beta value, they define beta as summation x belongs to the set S tan square x over 3. So x belongs to the set S. They defined S as x belongs to minus 92 plus 90 and they given one equation. So first we need to solve for x. You need to check this x values is satisfied the minus pi by 2 and pi by 2 interval. So once you get the x values and you have to substitute summation tan square x over 3. That is our beta value. Once you find the beta value, then you substitute 1 over 6 here beta. So that's why first we need to take this equation and try to find the x values. What the given equation? The given equation is 9 raised to power of 1 minus tan square x plus 9 raised to power of tan square x, that is equal to 10. So let's take that. In the first term, 9 raised to power 1 minus tan square x, it is in the form of a raised to power of m minus n. So then you can write this as a raised to power of m over a raised to power of n. Same like that. Here 9 raised to power of 1 minus tan square x, we can write this as 9 raised to power of 1 over 9 raised to power of tan square x plus 9 raised to power of tan square x. Here let us consider 9 raised to power of tan square x as some other variable like some m. Then this equation turns into 9 over m plus m, that is equal to 10. So if we take LCM, then it becomes 9 plus m raised to power of 2, that is equal to 10m. So we can write this as m power 2 minus 10m plus 9 equal to 0. So finally the trigonometry we convert into a quadratic equation. The roots are m equal to 9 and the root is m equal to 1. So the roots are 1 and 9. We consider 9 raised to power of tan square x as m. Now we got m values are 9 and 1. First we will take m as 9. This 9 we can write it as 9 raised to power of 1. Now when bases are equal, we can equate the powers. We can write this as tan square x, that is equal to 1. When the tan value is 1, tan pi by 4 the value is 1. So instead of 1 we can write this as tan pi by 4. So if tan square x is tan pi by 4, then x is plus or minus pi by 4, isn't it? One x value is plus pi by 4 and another x value is minus pi by 4. And what the condition they said? They said x belongs to minus 92 plus 90 in between. So here we are getting x values are in between minus 92 plus 90. So it is satisfied the given condition. So let's take the second root. 9 raised to power of tan square x. So that is equal. Now you take m as 1. So 1 we can write it as 9 raised to power of 0. So anything power 0 is nothing but 1. Now when bases are same, we can equate the powers. Tan square x we can write it as a 0. When it is 0, tan 0 degrees is 0. So instead of 0 we can write as tan 0. So the x value is 0. So what are the x values? The x values are 0 plus pi by 4 minus pi by 4. Using the given the S set, we found out the values of x. Now we have to use the beta. What they define the beta? The beta they defined as summation x belongs to S tan square x over 3. So let's take that. So just now we found x values are 0 plus pi by 4 minus pi by 4. So that means our set x values are 0, pi by 4 minus pi by 4. So these are the values you need to substitute here. Tan square x over 3. So let's substitute these three values in. The first one is 0, tan square 0 over 3 plus tan square, the second x value is pi by 4. The x value is pi by 4 over 3 plus the last value minus pi by 4. Tan square minus pi by 4 over 3. And we know that tan 0 the value is 0. So the first term turns into 0. We need to check only the second and third term. Tan square pi by 4 over 3 is nothing but pi over 12, isn't it? Plus tan square minus pi by 12. What is pi over 12? That means 180 over 12 is nothing but 15. So pi over 12, the value is 15. So tan square 15 degrees, tan square minus 15 degrees. What is the tan 15 value? Tan 15, the value is 2 minus root 3. So the first term turns into 2 minus root 3 whole square. Now observe the second term. Here we have a tan square minus 15. What is tan of minus a? Which is minus tan a, isn't it? Here we have a square. So let's do square on both sides. So tan square minus a. So when you do minus tan a whole square, it becomes, this minus turns into plus. So which is tan square a. That means if you take tan square minus 15 plus tan square 15, the second term is plus 2 minus root 3 whole square. It is in the form of a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Same like this for the second term also, a square plus b square minus 4ab. 4 plus 3 is 7, 4 plus 3 7. So 7 plus 7 14 minus 4 root 3 which is 8 root 3. So this is the beta value. Now we need to find 1 over 6 times beta minus 14 whole square value. So 1 over 6. What is the beta value? Beta value is 14 minus 8 root 3. So let's write 14 minus 8 root 3. So this is the beta value. Still we have minus 14. So let's write minus 14 whole square. Here plus 14 minus 14 gets cancelled. So we left only minus 8 root 3 whole square. Minus 8 root 3 whole square. So minus 8 root 3, if you do square, this minus turns into plus. So this turns into plus. This 8 turns into 8 times 8. And root 3 also we can write it as root 3 times root 3. So root 3 times root 3 it becomes 3. 2 4s are 2 3s are. And here 3 gets cancelled. So we left only 4 times 8 which is 32. So 1 over 6. Beta minus 14 whole raised to the power of 2. The value is 32. That's it. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.